Hey everyone, today we're going to be making a 10 Things About Me page in our journal. I hope you'll join me, grab your journal, and let's create our page together. So I am going to be doing a 10 Things About Me, just so that'd be a good way to get you guys kind of figuring out who I am. And yeah, so this is my amazing sticker book that I created. I'm working on it, trying to get better organized so I can find things. So bear with me. I am going to go on the Memory Maker sticker book from the Happy Planner, and I am just using my plain blank journal pages. I've created some other pages that I videoed in here, but I'll leave a link for it in the comments section. I think I bought 12 of these, and they've been great. They can go into my my book here, and I can fit 5 of them in there. It's a little bulky, but I love it. And I switch them out when I need to, and they work super great. So let's get started. So 10 things about me. Who am I? My name's Laura, and I am a wife and a mom. And I have been married for 18 years in December. And I have 2 kids. They are 17 and 15. And I have been with my husband for I have to do the math, 21 years. And we've been married for 18. So I thought it'd be fun to just kind of do this through stickers. So one of the things, obviously, that's super, I guess, important to me is my family. That's why I talked about my kids, and has been first. Been super grateful to have a full heart with them. So that's the first one. One thing I love to do is I love to take photos. So I love to take photos of my kids and what we're doing. And I used to own my own photography business, but I had to stop because of my health issues. And so now I just do it for fun. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. But it is definitely something that I love. One of my themes in life, especially since going through these last few years, has been to collect moments, not things. Just how important it is that life can really change, and it's not always fun, and you just have to learn to find joy in the moments. So collect moments, not things. I love flowers. I love spring. I love happy things like that. And these are all from the Memory Maker sticker book so far. I think I didn't take any out of the other one. So anyways, I love flowers. Another thing about me is I love Jesus. I love Jesus. So I'm going to say, let your faith be bigger than your fear. Because I feel like that's super important in life for me. Going back to family, I love my dog. He's my favorite dog for now. We've had a couple really good dogs, thankfully, in our life and marriage, but he's a pretty awesome dog. He is 6 big, and he is a great dog. And he's just been a really good companion for me, especially walking through the chronic illness and whatnot. So I love sunshine. I am such a sunshine girl. Bring on the sunshine, take away the snow. I am all about it. I feel like there's a quote that's around that's something about practically a houseplant. I need water, air, and sunshine. And I thoroughly, firmly agree with that. Let's see. So I love to dance. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use for that one. I feel like it's an amazing creative form, and I feel like it's a beautiful way to worship Jesus. So I'm going to put fancy footwork. I love worship. I love singing. I'm not very good at it, but that doesn't matter. I think the point is to do it because God loves it no matter what. So I'm going to do this one. Might be kind of weird, but I love to be creative. I love to create things. I love to paint. I love to crochet. Whatever my body can handle, I love to do. So, yeah. Originally, I thought I would add a couple of heart stickers kind of as a thing for my kids. And then I have this one as a thing for my husband. There it is. These two sweet little hearts. So yeah, I don't know if that was 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look at that. Well, technically that's family. But anyways, there's 10 things about me. I just thought it'd be a fun way to do this as a journal page. I mean, you could add so much more, but this might get you started, at least in your thinking and what you can do, and date it. And let's date it right now. So this is 2018. And then, you might look back on it 10 years from now or a year from now and be like, oh, 10 things about me. Let's change that because, maybe dance won't be part of my life. Or maybe photography won't be. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And I'd love it if you would follow and subscribe. I appreciate you letting me share my heart, and I hope you have a blessed day.